Hey, you. Yeah, you. You want some of that guru traffic? So it's been going around on the web, and as you can see here, Eclipse is upon us. It's a it's a program basically to teach you how to steal gurus traffic. Now, mind you, this has always been available to you. This isn't some new method. This isn't some crazy. They just packaged it really well. It comes from a guy named John O. Armstrong and Brandon Mace. Both are pretty well known for creating okay programs, mostly subpar, but they have giant email lists and they come out with courses all the time that basically teach you how to do blah, blah, blah. That, quite frankly, I doubt anybody really gets rich from them except Brandon Mason, John O. Armstrong. So the gist of it is what you're going to do is it's a lot like launch jacking, right? So in launch jacking, you go to Muncheye and you basically look for a program that's coming out relatively soon, right? And what you're going to do is you're going to create some YouTube videos, some websites, whatever. You're going to create some kind of way to review the product ahead of schedule, right? So essentially, what this is it's like launch jacking, except you do it with paid ads instead of creating your own free YouTube video on the subject, right? So basically, what you do is you got these big launches right here. So, Simon Greenhall, I've never heard of you, but he's got a launch coming, right? So, what you would do is you would create a YouTube video ad targeting not Simon whatever. You're going to target his whoever's trying to review that product. So you're gonna basically target the product and to get even more specific, a specific video, right? So in this case, this is the Eclipse review, right? So what I would do is I would look for it looks like the super affiliate has 10,000 views on his video. I can run ads specifically to that video for the exact same product that he's selling, but I'm running ads. So my ad's going to pop up first. So let me tell you the problem with this, right? The problem with this is you could if everybody's trying to target him, who's going to win? Nobody's going to win, right? So your clicks are going to go through the roof. So it's not going to be really easy to just go ahead and target that. That's not really how it works. Okay, so if we're all targeting the Eclipse review super affiliate show video like a bunch of idiots, then that's going to go through the roof, right? So this is a great idea, though. In general, it's a great idea. So this is how I would do it. Okay, so I wouldn't target, say, this exact video the second it comes out, right? I'm going to, or excuse me, this exact video the second it comes out. I'm not going to target it with the Eclipse um, product as well. So I'm not going to like double down Eclipse on Eclipse. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create my own product, right? Because I know through Muncheye, that let's say one of these videos are coming up, like Cindy Donovan iStick. I don't know what that is, but it's coming out August 19th. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a competing product, right? Something very similar to hers, right? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to advertise on all of her videos, right? So anybody that's doing any kind of iSlick video review, anything like that, I'm going to target with my product, not their product, right? And here's what happens, right? So it doesn't become oversaturated to the sense that people are clicking because they've seen all of your ads. You're just promoting that whatever the product is. I'm promoting my own product, so mine's going to stick out. Every time everybody's going this way, that makes me want to go this way. Does that make sense? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create my own product, and I'm going to target iSlick, right? Now that's very very similar to what they're doing by basically stealing their traffic. But I'm not going to basically give Eclipse half their money back, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create my own product and keep all the money, right? And I'm going to steal their traffic. So let me tell you a very, very super secret trick where what I would do is I would have other people do this, and I would be the product creator and I would train them on how to do this, right? So I would get a hold of a bunch of smaller people, say like all these launches right here. I would start targeting them and their teams and tell them, hey, coming out with a launch and I'm specifically targeting so and so. Why don't you instruct your team how to do this, right? Or I just keep it all quiet in house and I literally train certain individuals on how to do this method in house, right? So I would probably do the latter, where I would basically use my own team to teach this method to. Now, there's a couple people that actually do this. Cater Comier, I think his name is, on YouTube. He actually, every time that he goes into a product, and by the way, he's not like this huge YouTuber. Every time he goes into a product, he actually has training methods that he teaches people how to do. So he basically has his own training methods on how to sell an affiliate product. So what he does, and this is really brilliant, is when he sells an affiliate product, you can join his team and he gives you the training on how to sell that affiliate product, right? So not only is he getting sales from his own program, but he's also getting sales from people underneath him, which a lot of times he sells like MLM kind of stuff. I know this video is kind of everywhere, all over the place, and there's about 15 methods in here. So guys, if you really clicked on this video, you got some real good value here. But that's how I would do this. I would literally create my own product, and from there I would target one of their products, and I would instruct my team or people that want to be affiliates of mine how to do this method, and I would sit back and cash checks and do a 50% commission with them, right? So I don't remember what that one was right here. She's doing for $47, so I would do mine for $47, and I don't know what that is, some kind of percent. I would do something like that. If you don't have a team, okay? So here's what you do. If you don't have a team, you contact all these smaller guys and their teams and give them 100% of the upfront commission, right? And what you're going to do is you're going to collect emails, right, from them. So I know this sounds like a real crazy, but you can literally do this all through Builderall, right? So, and I'm not promoting Builderall. There's no affiliate links in here, but in Builderall, you can literally, you can create membership areas, right? So you can create your own course, and it's for like $30 a month. And in Builderall, they also have an autoresponder where you can set up a squeeze page and collect emails. You could do this all for $30, right? So this isn't like a $30 a month, I should say. This isn't some out of reach, out of touch, you can't do kind of thing. This is very real, and you can do this. So I would contact these lesser launchees and try to get a hold of some of their team and see if they're interested in selling your product for 100% commission on the basis that you're collecting emails. So you're doing a launch basically to build a list. And basically, depending on your topic, depending on what you're actually building a product around, you can build a product in a matter of a day or a couple of days, literally with your iPhone. There's nothing that you really need that's very, very special. You can do it from your iPhone or your laptop. Just doing a screen share like I'm doing right here. You don't even need to show your face in it. You can literally just do some training right here. It doesn't matter what the topic is, or on your phone. If it's a hands-on like dog training or something, you can do it from your phone. So it's not like something that you definitely have to have high-tech equipment for to do any of that kind of stuff. So, guys, I really hope you liked this video. If you had any questions, leave a comment down below. I'll be happy to answer anything you guys got, and I will see you in the next video.